How to get $10 Costco working coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box. Type in Costco coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. This is the legit one. In this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Costco. Just scroll and check out the offers. 25% off, $40 off, $20 off, and many more. You can head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Costco. You will be directed to the official website of Costco. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Costco. Lastly, what you can do is head back. You can also check out this one website, Groupon. This is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Costco. Well, this way you can easily get up to $10 working coupon code for Costco. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.